Hello everyone, I am Anshuman Asmoduk from MDB Electrosoft Private Limited. We make you technically confident. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं नए प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है IoT based safety location tracking device. This device can be used for children's, women's or anyone who needs help or people with having habits of forgetting things. In this project we are going to design or develop a device which will be able to transfer GPS location of the person carrying the device throughout the IoT, through the IoT cloud to the cell phone of the user or cell phone of the authorized person. So in this video we'll be talking about the components and block diagram of this project. So let us start with the components. कंपोनेंट्स में हम एज वी आर यूजिंग IoT सो हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे NodeMCU. उसके बाद हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे पावर सप्लाई में एज हम पावर सप्लाई इस्तेमाल करेंगे बैटरी. देन पल्स रेट सेंसर. वाई पल्स रेट सेंसर? बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ पल्स रेट सेंसर वी कैन मॉनिटर द सब्जेक्ट्स पल्स रेट लाइव फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. देन वी आर हैविंग LED इंडिकेटर. दिस LED इंडिकेटर means normal LEDs. We'll be using normal LEDs to indicate. Then we'll be using a push button. Let us move on towards the block diagram. As can be seen in the block diagram, we are using NodeMCU. NodeMCU, in case of this, we can use 8266 or 32S. We can use any one of them based on our requirements. Then we can see here's a GPS module connected to the NodeMCU. GPS modules work on RX and TX serial communication. GPS module, GPS stands for ground positioning system. With the help of this module we will be able to track the location. The GPS module will give the longitude and latitude location of the device live, and it will transfer this location through the serial to NodeMCU. Then we are having a button. Whenever the subject or whenever the person feels unsafe or unwell, they can just push the button. Whenever they push the button will send a signal to the NodeMCU. What will happen after the button is pressed? As the button is pressed, the location, the alert will be sent to the cell phone application of the authorized person that I need help with the live location of this person. Then we have pulse rate sensor. Why we are using pulse rate sensor? Because with the help of pulse rate sensor we can monitor the pulse rate. If someone's pulse rate goes out of the range, like there's a range 60 to 100 for normal pulse rate, if the subject's or the person's pulse rate crosses this, that person is feeling unwell. So in case of that, it will also send an alert to the authorized person or user through the IoT. Then we are having LED indicator. By LED indicator we are using LEDs to indicate data. As we are not having any kind of LCD or any kind of display to display data on this device, so we are using LEDs. On the flashing rate of LED we will be able to identify if the data is sent or not, or what is happening. Then move on towards the cloud section. Here whenever any one of this alert rises, it will send a notification to the cloud. When the cloud receives the notification, the cloud will push an alert based on the condition to the cell phone of user. Hopefully you understood the whole project. Related videos link will be in our description. Thank you.